Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
Good morning and welcome to Good Morning Crypto. I'm Lunar Beaches and I am by myself today. BC is out today. Yeah. So we're doing it solo. It's a Lunar Beaches takeover. We're going to destroy the charts. Just like how John Deaton destroyed Elizabeth Warren in last night's heated debate. Heated. Absolutely heated. Now, it was a good back and forth. I watched just the 8-minute exchange about crypto. It was interesting, but I definitely think that Deaton got the last zinger in for the night, and so we'll be going over that. We'll be covering that. We'll go over a lot of Bitcoin. I'm going to be giving you some bull case. Looks like we're already seeing a little bit of a pump ski this morning. So let's go ahead and dive in and get you prepped for success. So, starting off, we've got the stock market heat map. Yesterday, we've got Apple up 1.10%. Nvidia was down 4.69%. Wow, that's actually pretty big. I didn't see that yesterday. So, I want to look at that Nvidia chart. We've got let's see. We've got Amazon up 0.08%. What else we got going on here? GE down 1%. ExxonMobil down 3%. Eli Lilly down 1.74%. Microsoft kind of neutral. Google, I mean, kind of a mixed bag all across the board. Nothing too crazy. Tesla just 0.19% up on the day yesterday. Yeah, I mean, looks like finance is doing real well. We've got a lot of banks doing well. Obviously, that's finance. Duh. Let's see. Utilities doing well. I mean, yeah, it's a mixed bag out there. So, I don't know. Mixed bag for the stock market. Let's go to the crypto heat map. Take a look. Bitcoin up 0.78%. Ethereum up 0.42%. We've got BNB up 0.2%. USDC is up 0.03%. Wow. Solana up 0.54%. And Dogecoin up 7.03%. Let's see. So XRP, I haven't looked at that chart. I want to see if it got a boost from the debate at all. Because John Deaton did mention XRP actually. Let's see. Tron is up 0.5%. Toncoin up 0.38%. Cardano down 0.81%, not following along with the rest of us. Avalanche down 2.06%. Shiba up 2.5%. So the Dogecoin up almost 7%. So meme coins, of course, a lot of meme coins are up. Some meme coins are down. Kind of a mixed bag across the board. Hit the grid thing here. We can see, oh, it's mostly red. So we'll have to take a look at that Bitcoin dominance as I did notice a lot of altcoins were getting a little bit of a pullback yesterday. So, yeah. What else do we have? let's go over here. That's not what I need. There we go. We've got the stock market fear and greed sitting at 69. Nice, which is greed, of course. So stock market is sitting in greed. What about crypto? Oh, 73. We're sitting at a 73 on the greed scale. That's a little... That's, I mean, it's good and bad. Seems like we're getting a little bit overheated on our greed. Sorry, I gotta pull up the chat real quick because I don't have it on. Oh. You can't even... Wow.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Good morning and welcome to Good Morning Crypto. What is going on, guys? I am Lunar Beaches, aka David, aka Slick Mike. No, I don't know. I don't know. Slick Mike. I don't know. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. It's me, LBC, in the house. Just me. BC is out this morning. He's he said good morning on his way back from the airport. Have a great show, LBC. Thank you. Just so you know, I already started this stream. However, I forgot to click the go live button on the YouTube. So here we are starting this over again. So it's all good. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way in, and let's just go ahead and dive in and get you all prepped for success. All right, so we're going to be going over John Deaton destroying Elizabeth Warren in the debate last night, at least on the crypto part. That's the only part that I watched, to be honest, because I'm busy. You know, I got stuff going on, man. I've got a busy life, right? I've got to pack. I'm packing for a new house, so that's my life. Every day after work for the foreseeable future for like the next month or so. But yeah. So yep. Doing it solo today. So say hey to BC in the chat. Cause I just did. Good morning, BC. How are you? Alright, so let's just go ahead and get on into it. We'll go over to the heat maps. Looking at the stock heat maps, we have Apple up 1.10%, Nvidia down 4.69%. I do want to look at Nvidia today if I can think of it, or Nvidia. I don't know how you're supposed to say it. We've got finance kind of green. What is Berkshire? Is this Berkshire? Is that what this is? I don't know. It's up 0.59%. We've got Amazon up 0.8%. P&G up 0.61%. ExxonMobil's down 3%. GE down 1.07%. Tesla up 0.19%. NEE, I don't know what that is. That is down 0.14%. These are your utilities. We got health technology. Eli Lilly down minus 1.74%. Down 1.74%, obviously. That's what the down mean. Yeah. Let's see. Visa, who cares? Just what crypto is about. No. Visa is up 0.5%. MasterCard up 0.11%. Uber down 2.05%. Distribution, I can't even read these. Yep. Microsoft up 0.10%, Google up 0.3%, Meta down 0.7%. So kind of a mixed bag all across the board for the stock market. Going over to crypto, we're looking at Bitcoin. It is getting a little bit of a pump this morning, 0.83% up. Let's see, we've got Ethereum up 0.34%, BNB up 0.15%. Interestingly, USDC is up 0.03%. Interesting. Okay. XRP up 0.31%. Want to see what XRP is looking like after last night's debate. We've got Solana up that just changed, up 0.69 nice percent. And Dogecoin up 6.46%, Tron up 0.44%, Toncoin up 0.19%, Cardano down 0.84%, Avalanche down 1.98%, and Shiba Inu is up 2.2%. All right, so also a little bit of a mixed bag until we click this little button, and then we see, oh, it's a big sea of red. A lot of altcoins getting some pullbacks to be expected. And, I mean, this is what happens. Bitcoin gets on a roll. Altcoins start pulling back. Bitcoin starts to go sideways. Altcoins start to pump. Is this the beginning of the final leg of the bull market? We'll be getting into that as I give you some bull scenarios and bear scenarios. Well, a bull scenario, a bear scenario, or multiple bear scenarios. We'll get into it. We're going to get into that, and we're also going to get into that debate. Let's see, just a little bit. Fear and greed for let's go start with stock market. Sitting at a 69. Nice greed. Sitting in the greed. Down 1 point from yesterday, so stock markets were down a little bit. Yep. And we can see all of our, let's see, utilities down, technology down, real estate up. I believe that because I just bought a house. Industrials down, healthcare down, finance down, energy down, and materials up. So it was a little, when you look at it like this, you know, we're actually kind of down for in the stock market. Let's see, all the top 3 indices, your Dow Jones, your S&P 500, and NASDAQ, all down as well. So taking a little bit of a breather, it looks like. And yeah, we go. But if we look at the Russell 2000, which is the small caps in the stock market, we'll see green. Crypto sitting at 73, sitting at a greed. Ruh-roh. So we've got crypto sitting at 73 in a greed. If we start pushing into extreme greed, and I don't know, man, we're sitting at the highs at extreme greed. I want there to be uncertainty as we are pushing up, but there is no uncertainty. People are just bullish. So all right, we'll see what happens with that. So yeah, little bit of a mixed bag across the board, both stock and crypto. So stocks and crypto. So yeah, let's take a look at the liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. We do have a nice hot spot above us around that 68K level. So still watching that level. I do believe we still have a point of control to get to. We'll look at that. Let's go ahead and take a zoom out. This is on the 24-hour. Let's take a zoom out on the weekly and see what we've got here. All right, so the hot spot on here on the weekly is down here at about $61,737, $75 million. worth of liquidity. But look at this. This is all pretty bright down here. This is liquidity city. What are we gonna do, Bitcoin? Are we gonna get to that liquidity? Let's go to the 2-week. We got time this morning. We can take a look at the chart pretty heavily. Nice green down here. Millions of dollars down here. Below 58K. 58.7. Let's go to the month. I really wish you would load much quicker than you are loading. Lots of liquidity above, lots of liquidity below. Ooh, all right, hold on. Let's go to the 3-month. How are you guys doing? Oh, good morning, Clate the Great and Moo XXC. We'll just call you Moo. What up, Moo? Let's go to the yearly. I'm not getting enough data in here. All right, so we do have a bunch of liquidity down here sitting. What is this? That's like 38. I don't think we're getting down there. Do have over $1 billion worth of liquidity down here, right where I've been looking for a move down. But man, we might just be saying bye bye. We might be saying bye bye to 50K. Might be saying bye-bye to 60K. If we do, great. So I'm always happy when things go up, even if for a month I've been bearish, you know? It's kind of just like, all right, I'm okay being wrong. I'm okay being wrong when the price is going up, because that means even though I was wrong in the short term, my long-term thesis is still correct, and I'm still, you know, seeing some gains in the portfolio, in the old portfolio bag. So yeah, let's see. Let's go ahead and go over to, let's get over to the article for today, and that is going to be Warren and Deaton spar over crypto in first debate for U.S. Senate seat. Let me zoom in. All right, Senator Elizabeth. Okay. Senator Elizabeth Warren and crypto lawyer John Deaton exchanged blows over crypto policy in their first debate of the race for a seat as a United States Senator from Massachusetts. Deaton, a Republican candidate, called out Democrat rival and incumbent Warren during the October 15 debate for focusing on building an, quote, anti-crypto army, end quote, instead of prioritizing other issues impacting the lower and middle class in the state. Quote, with illegal immigration bankrupting the state, with inflation pricing regular people, why did this senator wake up one day and say, with all of that, I will build an anti-crypto army, Deaton said. Warren claims she's fine with people who want to buy and sell crypto, but want to ensure, yeah, I'm sure you are, but want to ensure the industry follows the same rules as banks and stockbrokers, namely consumer protection and counterterrorism laws. The senator also claimed that crypto is often used by terrorists. Yeah, because no one uses cash these days, right? Stupid. Drug traffickers and rogue notions to finance their illicit activities. Warren and Deaton agreed that traditional banking has failed many Americans. Still, Deaton said banking access hasn't been a priority for Warren, pointing to a December Senate Banking Committee hearing where Warren spoke to J.P. Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon and focused her questioning on crypto crime rather than banking failures. Quote, she had the CEO of J.P. Morgan Chase, I thought this part was wild, available for questioning, and they financed the largest child sex trafficking operation in history with Jeffrey Epstein, and Senator Warren didn't ask a question. Warren hit back, saying that 90% of the funds supporting Deaton's campaign to unseat her came from the crypto industry, and they'd expect a return on investment should he make the Senate. That is how these things work, people. Deaton didn't directly respond to that claim, but said he often upsets the crypto industry with controversial takes and has beefs with many crypto billionaires. So Deaton didn't directly respond to that claim. I believe he did. He did towards the end. He said something about, I can't remember. He said something about I know he said something to her about, he's like, I don't know. I can't remember what it was. So we'll just move on. Warren is defined by party. Notice it's Democrats are great, Republicans are bad. I got news for you, Senator. All of you suck in Congress. All of you. That John Deaton did say that to Warren. Straight to her face. All of you suck in Congress. You all suck. I 100% agree. I am not a fan of anybody. I'm not a fan of almost anybody. Especially the two knuckleheads that are running for president. Anyway, the face-off with Warren came after Deaton won the Republican nomination in Massachusetts primary election on September 4th. Warren has a 22.5% lead on Deaton based on 6 polls. The Hill's 2024 elections data shows Deaton is bidding to break an 11-year streak during which Democrats have controlled both Massachusetts seats in the U.S. Senate. So, yeah. This was a pretty decent exchange last night. Is basically just Deaton saying, hey, you suck at your job and you were real light on the banks, didn't really hit the banks all that hard, like I think you should have. And now you're just going after crypto, and it just seems like you're just going after regular people. Something about 85% with Warren's rules. He said something about, like, with Warren's rules, 85% of people would be kicked out of crypto because they're not accredited investors. So, and exactly right. So, yeah, I really think Deaton did well last night. If you are interested, go and check out that debate, because I think it is important to pay attention to these kinds of things, especially when they involve cryptocurrency. That's stuff that we are all here for, right? Let's see. Let's go ahead and say hello to some folks in the chat. Once again, BC Board Corp, Clake the Great again, Moo again, Knox Bill, Randy Abijit. Good morning, Randy. Good morning, Al Jr. Morning, Michael Kilo. Morning, Darren Does Things. Ayo, I'm late. Every morning, DDT, but it's okay. PC. Yes, let's have the people that broke TradFi oversee and regulate crypto. That sounds awesome. And I just did a perfect BC Port Corp impression. Yeah, good point there, BC, for sure. Yeah, let's let the people that have been regulating banks regulate crypto. We see how that's gone, right? L. Jones with the pink hands. Good morning, L. Jones. Mark Dutch says he's not naked. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, Dutch. Yeah, right. Oops, wrong chat. Good morning, Mark Dutch. All right. Chart time. Let's go over to the Bitcoin price chart. Shall we? Boom, 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 boom. All right. Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a move this morning. I've got this box drawn up here. I am looking to see what we do in this box. This is the wick box on both the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. So either one will work for me. What I am going to be looking for is a double top. Okay, I'm looking for a double top in here. If we get a candle body close, either on the 15 or the 1 hour. 1 hour would be nicer. If we get a candle body close inside of this box, which the 1 hour and the 15-minute, well, the 1 hour closes in 3.5 minutes, so we can back up on that. But that will fit my rules as long as it rejects out of the box after it closes inside of it for a double top. So got to be cautious with that. Look out for the double top that could be playing out. Now, I am looking at this previous quarter high up here, and you know, I did say yesterday in the trading group chat in the Piper Academy Discord, don't forget to check that out today. Go into the description, check out Piper Academy Discord. Good place, good people, having a good time. Let's all right. I'm so terrible at this. Let's see. Previous quarter. Oh yeah, I said in there that you know, I'm just looking for a break of 70K. Now, I need to be a little bit more specific. I'm looking for a break and close above 70K. Closes matter in this game because just a break above could just be a sweep of a range. So it could just be looking to tag that and then move back down. But hey, I'm starting to lean a little bit more towards the bulls, and I'll tell you why. Let's go ahead and get rid of everything on here. I don't need any of this. Still need my red box. Let's get rid of this. There we go. All right, let's go to my forecast. Oh, this isn't even my blowfin chart. Hold on. There we go. Go to the forecast. What do we got? Oh, we are above the POC. We actually closed above the POC yesterday. Came back down and back tested it. Closed above it, and we are bouncing off of the POC. Rut-row to the bear thesis. Rut-row to the bear thesis. That's not good. Oh, why did I get rid of the POC? Didn't mean to do that. Trying to get rid of that. There we go. Well, first of all, this was a trade setup that I put in the Discord yesterday. I said, looking at a possible, not that, potential trade setup right there. Right there. So, that, I mean, that could get taken out this morning. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But, back to this. Okay, so we have completely deviated from my forecast. Of course, we are breaking bullishly out of the rising wedge. That is good. These are good signs. We are still in an area of heavy supply. So getting above this high over here is going to be mega key. The only problem that I have with it is that this is in this right here, this high and this low, that's a range, okay? This is a range. What I don't want to see is us break and come back into the range. If we do that and we're not getting some type of correct, like regular style ABC correction, or we get some kind of crash out of it, this will not be good, because this will be, I mean, it'll be good for my bear thesis, but it would not be good for the bulls. So we really would like to, what I would really like to see is a little bit more of a correction going on in here today, but looks like we're not getting it. So what's got me leaning a little more bullish? So if you've been watching the channel for some time, I've been talking about how I've been wanting to see some low time frame impulses to kind of signal that we are indeed bullish, right? And one of the things I'm looking for is 5-wave impulses, and it looks like we have completed our first 5-wave impulse. And yesterday I was wrong when I said we didn't clear this high, because we did clear this high on the 3rd wave. And I told you yesterday that I was looking for, if I was looking, what I would be looking for is a 5th wave to the upside. we got it yesterday. So that is very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. This is impulsive price action for sure. Let me go ahead and label these for you. Let's go over to, there we go. So bottom to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. There we go. I don't know why this is like this. I need my wave. Give me my wave. There we go. So yeah, this is a 5-wave structure to the upside, which is this, and this is impulsive. This is impulsive price action. Now, key thing to note is that in a 5-wave structure in Elliott wave theory, the rule is there's like 2 rules. One of them is wave 4 cannot come down to the territory of wave 1. Perfect. Didn't happen. Second rule, third wave cannot be the shortest wave in the series. Okay? Shorter than wave 1, but longer than wave 5. If we come up here and we get above 69,400, that's kind of sketch. That's kind of sketch. Because that would, I mean, that breaks the rules for the third wave not being the shortest wave in the series, in the impulse. That would make the third wave the shortest wave. So we don't want to see that. Now, that's on the 4 hour. I do want to see some low time frame stuff going on in here. We did get, so this is just beautiful. This was more of the blow off top right here. And then I would expect some type of ABC correction, which is kind of what we are getting so far this morning. An A, B, C. Now, whether or not this takes out this low or not doesn't really matter to me. As long as it holds, as long as price holds above 58.9 now, because this is where the impulse started. As long as it holds above that level, if we get a correction, right? Let's just say this ends up being like this, A, B, C, and this does come all the way down to here, right? Let's just say that this is what happens. If that happens, and then we start getting another impulse to the upside, we get like an A, B, and then we go pumping like that. We come up here and we break. Actually, we would break wave 4. So let me do it like this. Or wave 5, sorry, over here. This would be like, if we started to hold up right here, or we started seeing a lot of volume here at like 60K, and we came down and we just like bounced off of here, I would heavily consider flipping bullish and going gig along, because it is likely that we are seeing the start of the last leg of this cycle. Okay, so and that's just how that's it. That's the bull thesis. That's what I'm looking at on the bull side. You already know what I'm looking at on the bear side. So yeah, I mean, we could be wrapping it up, guys. Could be wrapping it up. I mean, this thing just could also just keep on going. I mean, who knows? But I am starting to see a little bit more for the bulls. Definitely seeing more for the bulls. And that's good, right? That's always good. We like the bulls. Really like the bulls. Trying to see market oracle, market dynamics. Let's enable some order blocks on here. Let's go a little bit more high time frame. Let's go to the daily, see what kind of order blocks. Anything? No order blocks on the daily. Time frame, 5-minute chart. Does that help? Got it on a tuned as well. Let's go to original. There we go. So we are digging into that high order block. Yep, as we know, lots of. I mean, this is a big area of supply. 372,000 Bitcoin in this area. So, and we have this high order block down here where that ABC could be going down to. Money flow POC is also down here. So I would just be kind of looking out for a, I mean, maybe we go a little bit sideways today. Maybe we get a little bit of, maybe another move up today. We do have economic data tomorrow. Let's go ahead and pull that up. I'll move this over here. Let's go to the Forex factory. Wednesday. Oh, we've got import prices month over month. Oop. Import prices month over month. This is, if it'll, oh, detail. There we go. Change in the price of imported goods and services purchased domestically. It contributes to inflation for businesses and consumers, especially those who rely heavily on imported goods and services. So, no. I don't know. It's a low impact yellow folder. We'll see. But tomorrow, we do have core retail sales month over month, and unemployment claims. So that is going to be a big one tomorrow. Crude oil inventories as well. And then Friday we got building permits. So we'll see if any houses are being built, and if they are, that is a sign of a strong, or at least not weak economy, because people are able to buy houses. Go over to October 21st. Nothing really there. Nothing crazy. Where's the red folders? Unemployment claims, flash manufacturing. There's nothing too crazy going on the next week and a half. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's go over to the Velo data. Let's check out this real quick. So we are getting, I mean, at the highs, we are seeing a spot sell off, guys. Spot is just selling off at these highs here. Aggregated volume is still sitting up, of course. We've been seeing a lot of movement, so of course it is sitting up. But yeah, that spot, that's what I don't like seeing. I don't like seeing open interest pushing to the upside as we get higher, and then spot kind of selling off. We're not really getting spot as the driver of price. It's perps that are driving price, and spot is selling into it, which is not good. It's not good. Typically not a good thing. Okay, so keeping an eye on that. Did notice this big move down here was a nice little liquidation event yesterday. Let's see, this move down here was a little bit of a mixed bag, mostly down though. So shorts were getting it looks like shorts are just being covered. Just basically what's going on. So, anything. Whoa, chat. Let's take a look at chat real quick. What are we looking at? Wait, what? Bless you. Oh, thank you. That was a spot on impression. Says BC. Mark Dutch. All right, I can't be bearish anymore. Taking my L. Well, it's dude, I'm telling you, this is the high. You've got to be cautious until this is what's broken over here. That 70K, you got to break above it and close it, man. Break above it and close it. I am not going to jump the shark. I'm not going to do it. Not because here's the thing, guys. Everything that we saw here, like all the stuff that we saw at those levels on the Velo data, on our open interest, on our spot, all of that stuff looks exactly like what we are looking at today. That is what gives me caution. It's because we are looking just like we did before we dumped these previous 3 times. So that doesn't guarantee that is what we are going to see. It's just saying, hey, obviously we need to be cautious at these levels because we are at the highs, high order block, hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin being traded, and we'll see what happens. If buyers take control and we break above 70K, great. I'll be like Frosted Flakes Tiger, right? It's great. But until then, I'm being cautious, and I'm being cautiously optimistic. I do like what I'm seeing. I'm not seeing too much. I am seeing a little bit of too much bullishness on the crypto X, on the crypto Twitters, but that just means we could just get a pullback back down to this order block, this high order block, and off and away we go, which would be perfectly okay with me. I'm okay with being wrong. I'm just not wrong yet. So, but we're getting there. Hola, French Toaster. What is going on, my friend? Throwing the waves in the chat. Good morning. Good morning. All sat down. All set hood. Don't excite me for nothing, please. I'm not trying to excite you. I'm trying to limit your expectations. Really trying to train the psyche to not get bullish at the highs, okay? We don't get bullish at highs. That is not when you get bullish. That is what you call FOMO. That is the fear of missing out, okay? I don't care if you're buying on spot. Long term, it's going to be okay. But I would not be doing any kind of, I would not be like going in on a swing long right now. Like I would definitely not be going in on a swing long right now. Little late for that. Let's see. Win 40K. Never. I never said we were going to 40K. Chili this morning. Hot coffee today. Bro. It's supposed to be. Hold on. I gotta look it up for my overseas folks. Here's my opinion. You weren't even bullish at the lows, bro. Are we trolling? Are we trolling? Here's my opinion. That's fine. That's fine. Here's my opinion. To any derp out there, and I will call you derps because you're being derps. I have always been high time frame bullish. On January like 3rd or something, 2022, whenever it was after we bought it, right over here, right here. I said, I don't know about you guys, but I'm buying. How low do I need to say that I'm buying? How low do you want me to say it? Tell me. Tell me. Is this not good enough for you down here? And I haven't said I'm selling. Still got the hodl bags. Still bullish. High time frame. And I know you guys just like to, get me angry. It just really grinds my gears when we look at way too like short, like I'm high time frame mega bullish. Okay? Have been bullish. Why would I be bullish? Why would I not be bullish at the lows? Was I even on this show when we were here? How do you know what I was doing down here? It's ridiculous. Weren't even bullish at the lows. What lows? What lows? What are you talking about? What do you mean I wasn't bullish at the lows? Was I bearish at the lows? No. I even point out, hey, a lot of bad news coming in around here. That's kind of interesting how there's a lot of bad news coming at the bottom. That usually means they're trying to scare you out of your positions. Okay, it just really that type of stuff just really aggravates me because I'm up here just trying to help people, and then you gotta have smart comments like that. But it is what it is. It's part of this whole game, and I don't really care. But I expect nothing less from a fellow 901er to be talking crap. So, $10. Maybe it's your co-host I'm thinking of. I don't know. When high, I'm bullish. I mean the market. Wait, what? Here's my opinion. You weren't even bull. Okay, yeah, I read that. Falco. All right. So yeah, looking pretty good right now. So I would just be cautious here. Like I said, I was looking for a potential double top here. Let's see, what did we get? Did we get a close inside? We did. We got a close inside. However, that's very interesting. No upper wick. That's usually kind of a bullish sign. So we'll see how that plays out. Forming some fair value gaps, could be breakaway gaps. So, man, this thing might just keep going. We'll see. We'll see. We do have plenty of liquidity down below to come and grab. But another thing that's got me looking super bullish, not super bullish, but it's got me thinking bullishly, is the Russell 2000. So it is coming up at 2 key resistance, it looks like. Let me get all this stuff off of here. I can't see nothing. There we go. So coming up to key resistance of this triangle here. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it already broke it. All right, so it's coming up to it for a second time. Let's see. Oh, I need to zoom out more because this is just too big of an index. So going to the daily. Yep, so this is what I'm looking at, guys. So this thing starts breaking out, man. That's... Ooh. So the Russell 2000 is 2,000 small cap stocks, small cap businesses, companies, so we want to see this go open up. We want to see expansion in the Russell because that is signaling to the market, or that the market is bullish or is more risk on, because they're willing to put money into riskier assets like these small cap coins or stocks. Crypto brain. So sorry, I can't. My sinuses are getting to me now. So yeah, we want to see this risk on start entering the market. So if this starts to break out even more, and we break this 786, and close above it, man, it's looking really good. It's looking really good. Bitcoin dominance heading towards that 60 level. Ooh, Bitcoin dominance is pumping. Love to see it. Love to see it. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. We've got the USDT dominance dumping, which is good. We want to see that. Let's go to the Dixie. What are we looking like over here, Mr. Dixie? We coming right back up to the line. All right, coming back up to resistance. If we can get a rejection coming up here, start seeing some rolling over on the Dixie up here, things could really start flying off the handle. I mean, that's all right. So we are this close, man. We are this close to figuring out which way this thing's gonna break. Are we gonna break to the upside and start our mega bull, or do we still have one more final push down before we go mega bull? That is the question. That is the question. And right now, I'm just urging caution as we are at the highs, or at these highs at least, because that's when you should be cautious, is at the highs. So, this is total. I was like, this doesn't look like Bitcoin. What's going on? So the total market, so this is your total one. This is the entire crypto market. Looking kind of bullish. When was the last time I looked at this thing? We do have the trend fusion sitting above the 0 line, but the true 7 is below it. The money flow is below it, but pushing kind of to the upside. It is kind of flat. Volume matrix is pushing up. Oh, true 7 just broke the 0 line. Oh, wow. For the total crypto market, crypto is moving. Total 2. This is your altcoin market. This is everything minus Bitcoin. And these things are looking like, man, if it wasn't for this wick, this would be great inverse head and shoulders in here. But if we go by the closes, yeah, I mean, yeah, it looks great. Altcoins looking set to just explode, man. To just freaking explode. We're on the cusp. I'm so ready to be bullish with you guys. Look, let me tell you. I'm so ready to be bullish with you guys. I just can't. I can't do it yet. It is not the time yet. I still gotta see those things that we've talked about. Let's look at Nvidia, because this is big time market driver. So what we could be seeing here also, so that big drop that we saw yesterday could be rotation starting to happen from the large caps to the mid caps down, and it all trickles down. So we'll have the indices, of course, will go up because the broader market is moving to the upside, but your large caps might see some downside. Your Googles, your Apples, when they start correcting, and you see it's just like the crypto market. When they start correcting, but you have your Russells and your smaller caps start moving to the upside, that is an indication of rotation in the market. And so we are starting to see some signs of rotation from large caps into the smaller caps. Risk on environment. That is what we want to see. Yeah, looking good, guys. Looking good. I'm a bull, and I'm not even bullish. I am too. Same. See, that's it right there. I am a permabull. Alex O'Crypto used to joke on me, calling me a permabull forever and ever and ever. And I was like, I'm just bullish, man. I'm just bullish long term, because I could go and look at these charts. I could pull up the monthly, and I can say, what have we done long term? Outside, just these pullbacks. These pullbacks last like a year or two, right? But over time, it's up and to the right. Apple, over time, up and to the right. Microsoft, over time, it's up and to the right. This is still one of the prettiest charts I've ever seen in my life. Everything's just up and to the right. Google, up and to the right. Where's the indices? S&P 500. We do get mega, man, this is looking bullish. Mega secular bear markets, right? But over time, it's up and to the right, because why wouldn't it be? Unless you're talking about something like a fiat currency or something that just loses value over time, this is what you're going to get with the assets. So, because the money just keeps going into it, especially if you keep printing money. If you keep printing money, things will just keep going to the upside. Dow Jones, looking good. All right. So, but yeah, up and to the right. So if your time horizon is long enough, and you're just buying, you're gonna do pretty good. I think if you just buy, you're gonna do pretty good over time. Especially if you're buying strong assets. Something I would not buy for the long term is like a meme coin, right? Would not buy a meme coin to hold for the long term. That's something that I'm looking to ride a hype train on, maybe make 100% on it and get out of it. I'm not investing in a meme coin. I'm trading it. There is no investing in meme coins, by the way, just so you know. unless you're insane. I don't know. You could invest in Dogecoin. It's proof of work, so that works. And it has a cap supply. So yeah. Thank you for joining me, guys. I really enjoyed doing the show today. Tomorrow we'll have BC back on, and then we can get to hear his opinion on these things as well. But yeah, today is going to be kind of crazy. We'll see what we're doing. I mean, Bitcoin's moving right now, so I might have to get. Did it just break the high? It did. It just broke this high. All right, so on to the next level. Here it goes. Look, pumping as we end the stream. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Some signs of reversals, but still steady, strong. I mean, we've been seeing signs of reversals all along the way. So we'll just see how this how we go today. I am watching. Remember, 70K is what I am looking for. I'm looking for that 70K level. We bounced off the POC. We're breaking. We just broke the midpoint of this order block. You know, this macro order block here, the red section, and it is pumping. So it is looking pretty good right now. But I'm still waiting for 70K personally, before I think about doing any kind of swing alongs. Once we get that break of 70K and close above, and then we correct on that next correction is where I'll be like, hey guys, we're firing off the swing longs. It's time to go gig along to $100,000. All right. But until then, patience pays. But thank you all for joining me. I do appreciate each and every single last one of you. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, smashing that subscribe if you are new to the channel, and hitting that notification bell to be notified whenever we create new content and when we go live. Yeah, happy Wednesday, everybody. It is going to be a great day. I don't know what else to say. You're all amazing, beautiful people. Even when you tick me off, you're all amazing, beautiful people. Yo, chill, people. This isn't crypto banter. Yeah, right? I'm a bull, not in bullet. Bluff City, always bluffing. How is it that XRP is not a stable coin by now? Ish won't move. That's great. Here, just in time to smash a like. Cheers. Thank you for the stream, LBC. No problem. FK, Mark, I'm longing. Why? Guys, we're putting in bearish divergence, okay? We're putting in a bearish divergence. Do not go long right now. Do not go long right now. I've got to say that before I leave here. We're putting in bearish divergence, guys. Hold on. Before we leave, hold on. Let me just do a simple heat check here. RSI primed. Let's see. Come on, pop up. All right, here we go. Oh, yep. Bearish divergence. Hold on. One more. Regular standard RSI. Oh, you can't even see my chart. That's fine. Relative strength. Called Piper a boomer yesterday, and here I am being a boomer. Here I go. All right, so here we go. All right, spike, big spike. The momentum isn't following price. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. Money flow is on the downside. Our volume matrix is on the downside. Be careful. Caution. Be safe, guys. Trade safe. Use a stop loss if you do decide to trade. Thank you all for joining me. Check out Chart Prime. Get 45% off your first month. Link in the description down below. Check out Aviation Coffee. We also legendary Aviation Coffee. Also got a deal on that. And also check out the exchange that I use personally, and that is Blowfin. Links are in the description. Thank you all for joining me. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Make sure you tune in at 9:30 right here on Piper Academy for the morning market report with Army Piper and maybe OC Guy and maybe TradeFly. We'll see. And then this evening we also have the Crypto Nightcap at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with TradeFly and FD White. Let's see what they have to say. Great show. Number one on Piper Economy apparently. So we'll see. We'll see how long that stands once I get my night show. No. But yeah. Also, Green Day Prophets, if you're watching this, and Billy, Crypto Billy, any of you guys in the fantasy league, 6-0, baby, 6-0, 6-0. Anyways, love you guys. See you all in the chats. Have a wonderful day. Wake up. It's gonna be a good day. Peace out.